Hello and welcome to my practice video. Some of my longtime viewers, really just friends and family, might recognize the subject of this video as the only other recipe I have on my YouTube channel. The purpose of this video is really for me to play around with recording and editing videos, but I might as well show off one of my favorite breakfasts. I really don't know what else to call this recipe. I call it a Ramen Frittata. It's great for leftovers and anything you want to mix into it. Today I'm mixing in some bacon and some leftover bell pepper. Let's start by adding bacon to a pan over medium-low heat and let it cook. In a mixing bowl, add a touch of water, the seasoning packet from the Top Ramen, chicken is the best, and 4 eggs. Make sure that the bacon isn't burning and then give the eggs a very well-deserved beating for being eggs. Flip that bacon again. It needs to be well cooked on both sides. Now watch me chop up this bell pepper. That's chopped up and ready. Bacon is done, so we'll take it out and add the bell pepper to the pan. Let's look at the condiments I have in my fridge while I get out the butter that I should have prepped before this video. Ketchup, soy sauce, sriracha, mustard, more soy sauce, mirin, oyster sauce, something in a black cap that I'm too lazy to go look at, a big old jug of pepper plant, fig jam, tahini, hondashi, bacon grease, fish sauce, mustard, Dijon mustard, and that's all I can see in this clip. Anyways, add the butter and mix, add the salt and pepper and mix, you know, stuff you do when you're making vegetables taste good. Water's boiling, so let's put in the nudes. Put the cooked drained noodles into the pan with the chopped bacon and mix it up. It doesn't mix up. It never mixes up. I have no idea why I'm trying to mix it up. It's better layered anyways. Pour in the eggs, reduce the heat to low. Give it a little shake and cover it. Cook it until it's done, about 15 minutes or so. Once it's done, in a good non-stick pan, it should slide right out onto your plate. Check the brown bottom before eating and enjoy.